Doesn't it seem like maintenance is one of the hardest parts of the property management business? The calls come in, you get the job done, you take a deep breath, and then the next phone call comes in and something else has broken. You hope to get a good night's sleep, and you hope that cell phone by your bedside doesn't ring with the 3 a.m. no heat call. Or maybe you're handing the phone around the office so that once a week you can get a good night's sleep. Well, that's where my friends at Latchel come in to be the solution to all things maintenance in the property management business. Yes, they can do things like take the maintenance incoming call. They can do it during business hours. They can just do it if you want after hours, so you can once again get the good night sleep. They can dispatch. They can schedule vendors. They can handle work order tracking, budget approval, automation, even invoicing and payments. They are the solution to so many of the problems we have with maintenance. So reach out to my friends at Latchel. They've been in our industry for a long time. They understand maintenance. You can't take any more of your valuable time and focus it on maintenance when you're trying to run the business. Outsource that to the experts through their technology at Latchel, and once again, get a good night's sleep.